Direct and inverse proportion. Direct proportion and its examples. Direct and inverse proportion. If the number of articles purchased increases, the total cost also increases. More the money deposited in the bank, more is the interest earned. As the speed of a vehicle increases, the time taken to cover the same distance decreases. There are many situations in our day-to-day life where variation in one quantity causes the variation in the other quantity. Most of the variations are in proportion. Let us learn proportion and the types of proportion. Proportion. Sheetal purchased a handbag for ₹100. Geeta, her friend, purchased 2 handbags for ₹200. Did you observe? As number of bags increased, total cost of bags also increased. Now in this example, the ratio of one handbag to its price is equal to the ratio of 2 handbags to their price. This is called proportion. And its results say K is called constant of proportion. Direct proportion. Let x and y are 2 quantities, and if the value of x changes, the value of y also changes in proportion such that the value of ratio remains the same. Such relation of 2 quantities is called direct proportion. If x is directly proportional to y, we say that x and y are in direct proportion. This is a sign of proportion. We can write x is directly proportional to y as x is equal to ky, where k is called constant of proportion. We can find the value of k by k is equal to x by y. Let us see some example. Suppose a car travels a distance of 60 kilometers in 4 liters of petrol. How much distance it will cover in 8 liters of petrol? From the given example, it is sure that the car travels more distance if number of liters of petrol increases. Therefore, distance varies in direct proportion with number of liters of petrol. We assume x for petrol in liters and y for distance in kilometer. Therefore, x by y is equal to k, where k is the constant. We have given for x is equal to 4, y is equal to 60. We can find the value of k by putting value of x and y. We get k is equal to 1 by 15. Now we have to find how much distance car can travel if petrol is 8 liter. Put the values of x, y and k in x is equal to k, y. We have 8 is equal to 1 by 15 into y. Move 15 from right side to left side. Therefore, it becomes y is equal to 8 into 15. We get 120 kilometer distance can travel in 8 liters of petrol. Observe these values of x and y. For each value of x and related value of y, the ratio is same. That is, 20 by 40 is equal to 17 by 34 is equal to 14 by 28. If we assume these ratios as x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2 is equal to x3 by y3. Therefore, to find the any unknown value of them, we can use the relation x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2 or x2 by y2 is equal to x3 by y3. It is used as alternate method to find any value of given quantity. An electric pole 14 meters high casts a shadow of 10 meters. Find the height of a tree that casts a shadow of 15 meters under similar condition. Let us solve this problem by alternate method. In this problem, we have to find the height of tree. Let us consider the height of the tree is x meters and form a table as shown below. Now, more the height of an object, the more would be the length of its shadow. Hence, this is a case of direct proportion. Therefore, we can say that the ratio of height of the object to the length of the shadow is same for the given values. We get 14 by 10 is equal to x by 15. Taking 15 to left side, perform calculations, we get x is equal to 21. Thus, height of the tree is 21 meters. Summary. In this topic, we have seen the direct proportion and its examples. So that is all in this subtopic. We will learn inverse proportion in our next subtopic. Till then, keep learning.